only peaches apparently which grew in there, and he'd use a little flower pot to try and snag them.
Happening right now with our partners at World Vision. Are you ready to work with the church there in Pajula, Uganda, to bring about good news? You must sign up with this.
Go that quickly, but we were speaking to John Swinney as.
Thanks, Alex. Thanks, guys. Alex Cook there on the news that Sandro Tonali can return around 26th, 27th of August, missing the first 2 games of the season for Newcastle, but we'll be around.
Regards to lyrics and let's see. Does today qualify for that?
And I think that's just so rewarding in these times. Obviously, there's a lot of sexuality in the story, but it doesn't really.
I feel okay. Should we describe Ed Harris's hair, or should we just leave people trying to imagine?
Information about World Vision, and they spoke about World Vision is interesting. Sponsor. It's not.
So, प्यार भरी सत श्री अकाल and a warm greetings to all the listeners of Punjab Radio and YouTube जी की हाल है?
सत श्री अकाल।